Hey Racer, let's do some coloring in with me. Let's go. What colors am I? Yellow? Lilac? Pink? Blue? Gray? Orange and pink? Black? And finally blue. Very good, Racer. Here's Phoenix. What colors is he made up of? Brown? Green? Blue? Red? Yellow? Orange? Red? Brown? Orange. Fantastic, Racer. Who's next? It's Zach. What colors is he made up of? Beige? Orange? Green? Red? Green? Brown? And blue. And finally, it's Ronnie. What colors is she made up of? Brown? Red? Purple? Orange? Brown? Red? Fantastic, Racer. You did a great job naming the colors. Do you want to color in yourself? Ask your grown-up to download these coloring in sheets on the Let's Go Vroom TV website. Happy coloring!
Let's vroom into learning with Let's Go Vroom TV. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out my other videos.